Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create with Crafty Kids. It's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we're making these really sweet Puzzle Piece Valentines. These are so cute and fun to make and super simple, so stick around to find out how to do this. We're starting with some puzzle pieces. I'm using old puzzle pieces that I just can't find the last piece to, so they're getting reused in a different way. You're going to want to paint them in Valentine's Day colors like red, pink, or white. And you can do a solid coat or mix it up and use patterns or polka dots or stripes, but once they're fully painted, set them aside to dry. While the puzzle pieces dry, we're going to create the base for the Valentine. So take red and white cardstock, and you're going to cut them into different shapes. This time I did squares, but you can always do hearts or rectangles or really any shape you'd like for the Valentine. You're going to layer the smaller white piece on top of the red one and glue them together. This adds a nice border and makes the colors pop. Once your puzzle pieces are dry, glue one to the center of the Valentine base. This is the centerpiece for your design, so make sure to put it in the center and press down firmly to make sure that it sticks securely. Next, we're going to add a fingerprint heart to the Valentine. So dip your fingertip in paint and then press it onto the puzzle piece, and then repeat with your other fingertip to form a heart shape. It's such a cute detail and really personalizes the Valentine. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touch, which is the message. You can write whatever message you'd like on your Valentine, or write a puzzle-inspired phrase like "I love you to pieces," "Forever connected," or "You complete me." You can write it directly on the paper for a fun design. And there you have it, your own handmade puzzle piece Valentine. This is such a fun and meaningful craft, especially if you're doing it with kids. These Valentines are the perfect keepsakes to cherish for years to come.